mean bed. It's a bed. What's that? Cover. And the next exercise is for where are they? Where is Alvin? Alvin is on the chair. Woody is on the table. No. Erlina is in the pencil case. Erlina is in the pencil case.
No, you said
Okay. Alvin is in the house. Gabriel. Alvin is in the house. Alvin is on the chair. On the chair. Where is Frosty? Frosty is on the table. On the table. Woody is in the cupboard. Yeah, Woody is in the cupboard. Frosty is on the table. On the bed, excuse me, yeah, it's a bed. Yeah. Elena is in the school bag. Elena is in the school bag. Woody